Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic for your privacy. How to prevent Discord from accessing your microphone on PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Windows settings. To do this, click on the Start menu, and then select the gear icon to open the settings. Once you're in, look for the option that says Privacy. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new menu. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll see several categories. Click on Microphone. This section allows you to manage which apps can use your microphone. It's essential to keep your personal information secure, and disabling unnecessary access is a good first step. Once you're in the microphone settings, look for the toggle that says Allow apps to access your microphone. This option will likely be turned on by default. To prevent Discord and other applications from listening in, go ahead and click that toggle to turn it off. This will block all apps from using your microphone until you decide to enable it again. After that, it's time to focus specifically on Discord. Scroll down the list of apps below the main toggle. You'll find Discord listed there along with other applications that may have microphone access. Once you locate it, simply toggle the switch next to Discord to disable its access. And there you go. Discord will no longer have access to your microphone on your PC, ensuring your privacy is better protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Stay safe and take care.